Here we have a beautiful Saltarelle Bourroche. This one happens to be a 4-row Bourroche. It is a C system with 4 rows, so this one happens to be a C system. It's got these beautiful brown pearl buttons. It does have 5 switches on the back here. This one is an LMM. So here we have your clarinet. Here's your bassoon. Here's the master. Here's the violin. And here's the bandoneon. On the left-hand side, we have 84 bass buttons, also in the brown pearl, and we also have these French-style buttons, which are very nice. Saltarelle makes a wonderful accordion. It's got this great wood finish. It's got the beautiful brown pearl buttons. It sounds fantastic. It feels fantastic. I'll play a few songs so you can hear what it sounds like.